Witam ponownie na moim kanale. Welcome back to my channel. Today my Polish father will give you step-by-step instructions in Polish and in English on how to make a ciasto jogurtowe, or a yogurt cake. Its primary ingredient is yogurt, so the instructions will begin in English followed by direct translation in Polish.
We will need 3 cups of flour.
Okay. White flour?
White flour.
Okay, teraz po polsku.
3 szklanki mąki.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of baking powder. Łyżeczka proszku do pieczenia. Cup and a half of sugar. Now we mix it very well. Now we add a cup of yogurt, homemade.
But it can also be store-bought.
Of course.
Not sweetened.
Not sweetened. Szklankę jogurtu domowej roboty. Now we add 1 cup of oil.
Any kind?
I use grapeseed oil, but it can also be a butter.
Oh.
Tutaj dodaję szklankę oleju z pestek winogronowych. No to może być też masło. I 3 jajka and 3 eggs. Now we mix it. Teraz dobrze wymieszamy.
So how
Until
long?
the dough is smooth.
Okay.
Aż będzie ciasto takie ładne, gładkie. The dough is ready, ciasto gotowe. Now we will add blueberries. Teraz dodamy borówki.
Amerykańskie?
Tak, mogą być amerykańskie. Now I will add some flour to those berries.
Why?
Dodam trochę mąki.
Why?
So they will distribute better. Lepiej się rozprowadzą. And they will not fall on the bottom of the dough. They're ready. Now we will mix gently. Delikatnie mieszamy. We will pour this dough into the form, glass form. I will put some oil on it. Pour the dough into the form. Now we spread it evenly. Rozprowadzamy ciasto.
So we place this in the cold
oven. Yes.
So you cannot preheat the oven.
No.
That's a mistake for this cake.
We do not preheat. Nie podgrzewamy wcześniej pieca. Tylko wkładamy do zimnego pieca, nie rozgrzanego.
And to what temperature do we?
350 stopni Fahrenheita, 350 Fahrenheit.
300.
Fahrenheit for 55 minutes.
And here's the finished product. I'm gonna take my first bite of this cake. It's so moist. It's perfect. This is good. I recommend, obviously. Let me know in the comments below if you've made this cake before, or if you're going to make it and then you make it and then you can comment and tell me how it went. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this recipe video, let me know below as well so I can continue making videos like this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you were inspired. I'll see you in my next video. Do widzenia.